Hello parents and viewers, welcome to my channel ePreschooler. I am Meeta. In my last video, I had spoke about visual perception skills, what are the symptoms of visual perception skills and how many types of visual perception skills are there. So in today's video, I am going to show you few activities related to visual perception skills. So let's start our activity. This is an activity for matching. So you can take any wooden puzzle and you can give to the child to match it. I have transport wooden puzzle with me. You can choose any wooden puzzle and you can give the child to match it. Here the child is going to match by visualizing the shape of the vehicle with its frame. This is the next activity. In this activity, the child is keeping the missing part together and making a complete picture. Now, arrange the fish.
Arrange the fish.
Yes.
Arrange.
Yes. It's very good. This is your next activity. This is grading activity. So you can keep any particular shape to the child or any particular object in grades to the child. You can ask the child to compare that materials and arrange it. Can you keep the biggest circle here?
Okay.
Biggest one. Yes. Take it. Okay, very good. Now, here we have three circles, right? Can you keep the biggest circle here?
Biggest.
Yes. Now, which is the bigger one here? Yes. Keep it. Next one.
Small.
Very good. See, we have four squares here, okay? Can you keep the smallest square here? Smallest one.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good. Now, which is the smallest one here? In these three squares, which is the smallest square? Yes. Keep it there. Here. You have to keep it here. Now, which is the smaller one? Which is the smallest square? Yes. Keep it there. Keep it properly. Yes. Now, this is the...
Big one.
Yes. In this activity, the child has to compare and the child has to arrange the material from big to small and small to big. In this activity, I have two magnet board here. I'll make a pattern and I'll ask her to see and copy it. Okay? Okay, baby?
Yes. I'm baby.
Yes, your baby. First. Can you copy this pattern?
Yeah.
Yes, now copy it. This is rectangle. Then
Then one.
yes. Very good. Then
Then one that.
then
Then that.
this is our next activity. I'm going to keep few shapes inside this. She has to put her hand without seeing. She has to feel it and she has to tell which shape is that. I have kept few shapes inside this. She has to feel it without seeing it and she has to tell me which shape is that. Okay. Can you put your hand inside this? Which shape you are holding?
Square.
Show me square. Now which shape are you holding now?
Circle.
Give me the circle. Bring one more shape and tell me which shape you are holding.
Triangle.
Show me. Okay. Now bring one more shape. Which shape are you holding?
Rectangle.
Give me that. Yes. You can make a filly bag. You can put few objects in that and ask the child to feel that object and identify it. This is our next activity. I'll make a pattern first and she has to follow the pattern and she has to do it. Okay, Anya, see, I'm putting one
Red.
red. Then I'm putting one yellow. Then I'm putting one red. Then yellow. Then red. Then yellow. and again I am putting one red. Okay, so you have to follow the pattern, one red and one yellow. Though this activity is looking simple, but it's not that simple for a child to follow the pattern. Once the child is familiar with one pattern, you can change it and you can introduce one new pattern to the child, and the child has to do that. You can ask the child to build a block with this material, or you can ask the child to do grading with this material, or you can ask the child to follow the pattern with the same material. So Anya, I am going to build a block. Do you want to build a block?
Yes.
Very good.
Dumpty.
No, that is your blocks. You have to take from here.
Yeah.
This is the diameter cylinder box. In this box, the child has to match the cylinders according to its diameters. Anya, take one cylinder and keep it here properly.
Red.
See first.
Yes. Yes.
If there's something wrong here, check first.
That one.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
This is matching of colors activity. Anya, match it.
Well, here.
Yes, match it. Very good. Now, match it.
Apple. I think.
Match it.
Okay.
Match it, Anya. Very good. You can start this activity with 2 to 3 objects. Then you can increase the number of objects according to the interest of the child. This is the next activity. This is the activity for sorting. Anya, see, this is the orange one. Okay.
Yes.
You have to keep all the orange blocks here.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Oh,
Keep
no.
it, yes.
One.
Very good. Yes. Now you have to keep all the yellow blocks here.
Okay. One. Two. Nothing.
Very good. Now you have to keep all the pink blocks here.
One. Oh. Okay, Mama.
Very good. Here.
There.
Okay. There. Very good. For sorting activity also, you can start from 2 objects, then you can increase the number of objects and ask the child to sort. This worksheet is to match the shadow with the object. You can introduce the object to the child first, then ask the child to match the shadow with the object. In this activity, child has to see half of the picture and child has to identify which shape is that. I have few lingo cards with me. I can see a fruit here which is green in color. Can you tell me that name? Can you tell me the fruit name?
Watermelon.
Very good. I can see a vegetable which is orange in color. Which vegetable is there?
Carrot.
Very good. We can do matching activity, sorting activity and sequencing activity with the ice cream sticks. Okay. See what mama is making. You have to do the same thing. Okay, wait. Can you make it now?
Yeah.
Make it.
Green. Blue.
Yes, very good. Anya, can you do this?
It's green. Square. Green. Blue.
This kind of activity will help the child not only for eye and hand coordination, but also it will improve fine motor skills in children, and also it will improve visual perception in children. This is all for today's activity. All these activities are going to be very helpful for your child if you are introducing to improve visual perception skills. I hope you like all this activity. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching me for more videos like this.